I want to scoot this up, bro. What are you up to? What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a review on the Rexine Dashcam V1P. And let's open it up. Right out of the box, we have the camera. Pretty lightweight camera. And this is going to go on the windshield like this. We've got the GPS plug-in, power cord, record button, picture, microphone, OK button. Next we have some sort of tool, charging cord, adhesives, more adhesives, and let's see what else we got. This will be the back camera and a USB plug. And then here we have the main quick start guide. And here is the app to download, 3D guided interactive assembly instructions. It's cool. Here's the quick start guide, kind of runs you through everything you need to know. Rexine V1 dash camera, car charger, rear camera, dash cam mount plate, micro USB cable, cable management tool, cable clips, V1P quick start guide. Alrighty, let's get this thing installed. Huh?
This Dotwave Radio.
Dotwave Radio! New York link up, Tokyo, Paris link up.
Dotwave Radio, it might be the start, it might be the voice of the youth now.
Houston link up, Los Angeles link up.
Man, try, you know, nobody playing all that new music like we do, man. Nobody popping it off like we do, man.
Australia, DC, Mexico, Colombia, Africa, Jamaica, Guans, all y'all link up right now.
This is Dotwave Radio with Travis Scott and Chase B.
I think they're ready.
Dotwave Radio exclusive.
Pull up in a lamb and a dry, you crazy. Had to cut her off cause the bitch too lazy. She wanna ride the wave but my waist too wavy. And your car too slow, you need to drive Miss Daisy. Jumped out the fence like off you pay. Got a foaming in the mouth like that shit got raised. Got me running out the spot like the spot got raised. Cause I'm so much different than even you dated. Smiling in the camera like the shit got made. Big goo walk, got the whole club fade. Got a so bad that my ex shit hate it. Tell me how you feel when you see me shame. Nah, you don't call me baby. We ain't finna go to the mall, Miss Lady. You never understand the tall, Miss Lady. Like kids, take it all, Miss Lady. Never get a love like this. Never ever meet a thug like this. Never met a plug like this. Never seen a nigga in a club like this. Never hug like this. Never pulled acid sprayed in a tub like this. Never got drugged like this. Or beat from the back on the rug like this.
Dotwave Radio.
Talk about how crazy you drove me. Talk about them favors you owe me. Talk about them. Talk about them lies you told me. Talk about true colors you showed me. Talk about them. What? Tell me how crazy I drove you. Talk about how crazy you drove me. Talk about them favors you owe me. Talk about them. Talk about them lies you told me. Talk about true colors you showed me. Talk about them. Hey, lil' mama said she opened me tough, yeah. The mama said she offered me
Wave
tough,
Radio
yeah. Her
exclusive.
ex-boyfriend words cut deep. Hey, young Tiller in the cut, yeah. Hey, young Tiller going up, yeah. At your head with it uppercut, yeah. I'm still on the up, enough come up. But y'all already know where I'm from, yeah. Straight from the 502, hey. Southside dirty, I crew, hey. Now they watch all my moves, hey. Every little thing that I do and say. My old shit, that she need closure. I just think she won't get closer. I just think she wants some exposure. Tell people how crazy I drove her. Tell people all the dreams I sold her. I saw you cannot lean on my shoulder. I already got too many burdens. Most of them I to get in my turning. I got too many niggas in my face now. This ain't the time nor place now. This for my niggas that stay down. Fuck all you niggas that won't hate now. What? Talk about how crazy I drove you. Talk about how crazy you drove me. Talk about them favors you owe me. Talk about them. Talk about them lies you told me. Talk about true colors you showed me. Talk about them.
Wave Radio exclusive.
Talk about how crazy I drove you. Talk about how crazy you drove me. Talk about them favors you owe me. Talk about them. Talk about them lies you told me. Talk about true colors you showed me. Talk about them.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm lost. I'm driving fast. Turn it up. I'm driving fast. Turn it up. Too fast. Faster. Turn it up. Turn it up. Go.
Wave Radio exclusive.
Pull up in a lamb and a dry, you crazy. Had to cut her off cause the bitch too lazy. She wanna ride the wave but my waist too wavy. And your car too slow, you need to drive Miss Daisy. Jumped out the fence like off you pay. Got a foaming in the mouth like that shit got raised. Got me running out the spot like the spot got raised. Cause I'm so much different than even you dated. Smiling in the camera like shit got made. Big goo walk, got the whole club played. Got a so bad that my ex shit hated. Tell me how you feel when you see me shame. Nah, you don't call me baby. We ain't finna go to the mall, Miss Lady. You didn't understand the tall, Miss Lady. Like kids, take it all, Miss Lady. Never get a love like this. Never ever meet a thug like this. Never met a plug like this. Never seen a nigga in a club like this. Never hug like this. Never pulled ace and sprayed in a tub like this. Never got drugged like this. Or beat from the back on the rug like this.
Wave Radio.
Talk about how crazy I drove you. Talk about how crazy you drove me. Talk about them favors you owe me. Talk about them. Talk about them lies you told me. Talk about true colors you showed me. Talk about them. What? Talk about how crazy I drove you. Talk about how crazy you drove me. Talk about them favors you owe me. Talk about them. Talk about them lies you told me. Talk about true colors you showed me. Talk about them. Hey, the mama said she offered me tough, yeah. The mama said she offered me
Wave
tough,
Radio
yeah. Her ex-boyfriend words cut deep. Hey, young Tiller in the cut, yeah. Hey, young Tiller going up, yeah. At your head with it uppercut, yeah. I'm still on the up, enough come up. But y'all already know where I'm from, yeah. Straight from the 502, hey. Southside dirty, I crew, hey. Now they watch all my moves, hey. Every little